Welcome back to TEWREX channel. This is Christine. Today we are at an open air warehouse to take a look at HANGCHA CPCD-AXG53. This is a 5-ton diesel forklift. It's designed for heavy-duty material handling with improved safety, comfort, and reliability. First, let's talk about stability. The CPCD-50 has a longer wheelbase, which means it's much more stable, especially when you're lifting heavy loads high up. That also takes some weight off the rear axle, so your tires last longer. What about the overhead guard? It's got a thicker rear leg, so operators are better protected. Inside the operator area, everything is laid out with the driver in mind. Plenty of leg room, good visibility, and easy-to-reach pedals and controls. That means less fatigue during long shifts. Plus, the engine hood is integrated to cut down noise. So it's the HANGCHA CPCD-AXG53. It's powerful, safe, and built to last. Perfect for tough jobs. Remember, we're not just a dealer of HANGCHA. Our company offers a wide range of industrial machines from multiple brands. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. Get in touch with us for more info.